Hello there, hope you are well. Please watch previous videos if you hadn't watched it yet. Also, subscribe to my channel or else you will miss an opportunity to learn new things. The dataset for this project has been uploaded in GitHub, please follow the link in description. Alright, now you know the basics of Tableau and our chosen dataset, the global terrorism data. But isn't Tableau a visualization software? So far, we've just seen a table. Let's create your first visualization. This is the state in which we left our sheet in the last video. Isn't there a way to visualize the count and proportion of killed for the different types of groups, instead of clicking or streaming through a dull table? We're talking about Tableau, of course there is. And it's incredibly easy. We just need to click on the Show Me button in the top right of the interface. Tableau is smart. Based on the data you use to create your view, it can suggest appropriate visualization options. In our case, we could build a pie chart, a bar chart, a stacked bar chart, a box plot, a bubble plot, tree maps. Let's go with a tree map chart. Ta-da! It's that easy to build visualizations in Tableau. Notice how our pages disappeared. Now, we have a tree map of our dataset. The size of the bar is the total number of kills by each group. But isn't this a bit clustered? We can change that by filtering the group to limit only 25 groups. First, click on the groups from the filter part and click the drop-down menu and then select Edit Filter. In the pop-up menu, you will see the top button. Click on that. Change from none to by field. You can either select top values or bottom values. Also, you can exceed the number from 10 by entering a value of your choice. You can also change the field from killed to anything you want, but in this case we keep it that way. We can also change the measure from some to anything, but let's keep it that way. Now we can categorize this for each victim type. Just drag the victim type field to columns, and in the Show Me we can select the chat to stacked bar chat. We can sort the bars by ascending or descending. We can clearly view the hierarchy of each victim from military, private citizens, police to tourists. It's much easier to read that from a stacked bar chart than from a table. Come on, you can also do it. Download the data from GitHub. I have also given my worksheet in that repository, kindly go through it if you want. Please subscribe. Alright, you now know how to create visualizations. We just clicked Show Me and chose a stacked bar. For peace of mind, let's look at some other options. Pie charts are not very helpful, we just get one pie chart per victim type. Side-by-side bars give us a very dense plot, and there's too many colors. Information just does not jump to our eyes. A box plot is interesting, if you know how to interpret it. Notice what just happened. As you hover over elements of your view, you get more information about them. Let's go back to our stacked bar chart, which was a good choice. If we want to know the exact number of kills for each victim type by each group, we can just hover over the blue area. And we know there are 12,328 military people killed by Taliban, just like with our box plot. Similarly, in this sheet you are viewing a bubble plot which interprets the same. There are two key takeaways here. 1. Tableau makes it super easy to try different visualizations. 2. Tableau shows you what you can build, not what you should build. It's up to you to build a visualization that makes sense based on the question you want to answer. So we have a nice stacked bar chart. Good. But things are not over after selecting a visualization. You can still customize it to make it more insightful. For example, we may want to see the kill count directly instead of having to hover over bars on a case-by-case basis. To do this, we just need to drag the killed field on the labels card. Ta-damn! Now it's explicit that there are 12,328 military people killed by Taliban. The area is too small to show a number, but you can still hover over it to find out the value. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Your subscription will make my day. Have a great day. See you in the next video.